Let's use another example to explain how we should write a supported opinion paragraph on the grade 10 literacy test. The task is identify an important environmental issue and use specific details to explain why it is important. As you recall in the earlier example, the first thing we need to do is to develop a T-chart, and on the T-chart we need a head that's going to answer the question. I've chosen global warming, which is an environmental issue, so this is the head of the T-chart. Next, you're going to create a left side and right side as follows. What does global warming do, and why does it do damage? The first idea that I'm going to present is that drying up of wells and fresh waters and rivers in Africa will produce damage. How and why is this significant? Well, without water, people will dehydrate and die without access to water. A second concern I will express is that increased desertification in Africa will lead to more people starving as crops do not grow without water, and without food, people will die. And therefore I have my two proofs indicated in the blue and the purple, and I'll conclude therefore by saying that global warming is a serious concern for the people of Africa. Now let's go ape. Let's first assert. Global warming is an important environmental issue affecting Africa. That's the first asserting point, and it explains what the environmental issue is. We now need to use the blue and the purple components to prove our case. The first point is that with fresh water rivers drying up rapidly, owing to rising heat and temperatures, more people will dehydrate and die without access to water than ever before. The second point indicated by the purple is thus. With warmer weather, less rain falls. Hence, with less rainwater available for crops, people will die along with the crops. The people will starve without access to food. Now we can make our concluding point. Thus, global warming is a serious issue that affects the citizens of Africa. Why is this an effective paragraph? We have an assertion which answers the environmental issue. We have one good proof with an explanation, a cause and effect analysis. We also have a second point that uses cause and effect analysis, and we have thus ended our point. Remember, we practice SAFE 6. Use 6 lines only.